Hey Style Fam, we're back again with another video. Welcome to Tash Styles Beauty, where we indulge in beauty and lifestyle. Now, as you can see on screen, guys, I will be doing a wig installation for you today, and definitely you'll be loving it. Now, this will be my first wig installation, but guys, I'm gonna try my best, and as you can see, I did get it done. Now this ear is from ISHOW Hair on AliExpress, and as you can see, I got a wig cap, and this is a 12-inch hair. Okay, now let me take that out the bag so I can show you all what's going on here. Alright, so as you can see, it's a nice 12-inch. It is true to length. I'm really grateful for that, and it is a T-part wig, as you can see on screen. Okay guys, so it is very soft, it doesn't have any smell, and has a minimal shedding, and I love that as well. It has a minimal shedding. Now guys, let's get into the video. As you can see here, I have my cap on and I'm ready to put my wig on. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of what I do here. And if you are a resident subscriber and a family, go on, big up yourself and continue sharing, liking, and letting them know about my videos, guys. It's about to get lit. You liking and sharing the videos definitely help my channel to grow and to boost, so definitely thank you for the support. Now guys, I'm going in, I'm just fixing the wig, make sure it is in the right place, so when I'm ready to spray on my got to be, it is great, right? Now guys, this will be the lazy method that I'll be doing today. Now the lazy method is with the got to be spray, free spray, and yeah, we're gonna see how it comes out. Now guys, as I said before, this is my first time installing a wig such as this. Okay, this will be a beginner friendly video, right? Definitely a beginner friendly, and I will go step by step and show you what I did to achieve the look. Okay guys, so let's go, let's get it. So the wig cap is fitted on. Okay, and I'm gonna go in now with my got to be freeze spray. Now guys, this is my first time, and I think I put too much on, and mostly on the ear instead of that part at the front there, but it still came out great. And you gotta have trial and error at some time to learn what you're learning, and this is my first time, so I'm definitely learning as I go. I went ahead to watch a few videos beforehand to see how they did it, and I was very surprised to know that it was very easy. It was very easy, guys. You just have to do it step by step, follow each step, and you'll definitely achieve the look. After going in with the got to be spray, I'm just gonna press that down there, and I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer to get that all dried and all set. Okay, now guys, noted, you should use cold hair on your blow dryer to dry the hair, not hot hair, guys. I definitely did not know that, and I learned, so I know you can learn too. So it's supposed to be cold hair coming from your blow dryer and not hot hair. The hot hair will not let the hair sit and be tacky and set. Okay, now you will basically leave that for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, so it will dry properly. As you can see, I am doing it in sections, guys. Definitely try it in sections if you are a beginner. It really helps. Also, another beginner tip that I noticed is that you don't need to use so much of the free spray. All you need is a a little amount right at the edge there to tack the edge down. Guys, I did the opposite. I placed most of my free spray on the hair, and what I noticed is that it got a bit tacky and hard, and it was a little bit harder to work with. So definitely a beginner tip is to be focused when you're putting that free spray on and get it right at the edge of the hair. Okay guys, that's definitely a plus. Now as you can see here, I was getting ahead of myself, jumping the gun a bit, and I did the whole section, and I regretted it a bit because I had to move a bit faster than I wanted to. But definitely guys, you can learn from me and go ahead and do it in sections. As I said before, doing it in sections really help and make it much more easier to handle. So definitely guys, go ahead and do it in section, and don't jump the gun like me guys. It will work for you. Okay, now I'm getting that all tacked in. As you can see, I went ahead to do it a second time just to make sure that everything is laid and is dried. Okay, so I'm going in with my scissors now to cut off the lace. Now guys, this is where I know I did something wrong with the free spray. First, I went ahead and put too much, and then a lot of it got on my forehead. So that was another issue guys. That was definitely another issue because it went too far, and when I was trying to cut the lace, it was just not. Okay guys, so I am going in now and I'm parting out my baby hairs, as you can see there. Okay, I am getting that all done. Now guys, the trick I used for this was basically to use my wax stick. Okay, I used the wax stick and soften that. As you can see on screen, I use this and I use it to soften the area. So when I was telling you earlier that the free spray was basically making the hair hard and hard to work with, this is the trick I used to soften the area so I could do my swoop-de-doops. Okay? Okay? Yeah, so that's what I did. That is what I did, guys. Okay? Getting that all, blended in and softened. Now I'm going in with my band. Now you can get this elastic band from any fabric store, but guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not have any and I went for one of my bra straps. Yes guys, so if you're that girl and you don't have any of those and you got a bra strap and it's thick enough, it can work as well. Okay, so I'm using that to melt the hair in a little more. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this here. Now I should tell you guys, I was a bit skeptic and afraid to cut it, so I went in and cut it very long first. Okay, and then I cut it a bit shorter later in the video because I really didn't want to cut it too short and mess it up. So this is the best way to go if you are a beginner and you don't want to mess your hair up. Okay girls? Okay? Definitely do this. This will work for you. Now as you can see, I'm all laid down, feeling myself at this point, getting that together. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my soup de dupes now, and I am gonna use the free spray. Now what you see here on the video is that I just place a little on my finger this time because yes, I learned my lesson and I found out that I did not need to use so much, so I just got a little on my fingers and got that done. I cut the hair to where I think I would want it now, and I am getting my soupy doops together, girls. If you're that girl and you like them stuff, we gotta get them soupy doops laid and slayed. Okay? Okay. So yeah, it was a bit challenging for me the first go around, and I got impatient, as you can see guys, and I just got the free spray on it. But as I go in and I took my little time, I realized it got way easier, guys. So just be patient and take your time and you'll definitely achieve the look you want. Guys, don't mind me with my tongue hanging out in the video. I guess it helps me to concentrate, so yeah. Your girl doing her stuff. Your girl getting that hair laid. Okay, and I was a bit surprised with myself, because I'm saying it's my first time. I'm not sure what is gonna happen, but it came through. It did came through. Okay, girl came through. And let me know what you think about the soupy dupes, guys. If you're a girl like me and you love your soupy dupes, let me know down in the comment section. If you're not that girl and you don't like your soupy dupes, that's no worries. Let me know as well. Okay, guys. Now this is a highlighted wig. Okay, and it is giving me a summer vibe. did it! I can't find it.